morning, everybody. Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make our spinach mushroom strata. So we're slicing up our leftover bread, and we just want to make nice little sort of rough cubes. So I've sliced the whole loaf on an angle or on the bias, and then we're just slicing bits like this. We're going to put it on a half sheet pan, and then we'll put it in a 200-degree oven for about an hour and toast it. We have the rest of our ingredients, and I'm going to start getting our mise en place together. We have our eggs, mushrooms, olive oil, spinach, Italian cheese blend, feta, nutmeg, onion, cream, milk, kosher salt, and some Parmesan cheese. Beautiful mushrooms. This is 1 pound of mushrooms. And remember, when they cook, they get very small. So we're not going to slice them into thin slices. We're going to do fairly large, thick slices like this. We have our frying pan on medium-high heat. We've got the oil, olive oil in there. We're going to add in our onions. And we're going to saute those until they're translucent, and then we're going to add in our mushrooms. All right, we have just a nice little golden brown color on our onions, and we're going to add in our mushrooms. And we're going to saute them until they get nice and golden brown. All right, so our mushrooms have been in, and I'm going to add in our butter now, so that way it can melt and give a lovely flavor. Our beautiful mushrooms have been sauteing for quite a while, and I've been stirring them, and they have shrunk down now. Here. Now we are going to add in our spinach. So we're going to add in this whole pound of spinach and saute it. Once this gets all wilted, I'm going to add in our 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Our spinach has wilted, and now here we're going to add in our nutmeg. Just a 1/4 teaspoon. Nutmeg is a great accompaniment to spinach, any spinach dish. You want to add a little flavor, always add a little nutmeg. Here we have our 8 eggs, and we're just going to break those up, and we're going to whisk in our 2 cups of milk and our 3/4 cups of heavy cream and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Get that in there, and then that will be our base for our strata. Okay, we have all of our components here. Here is our egg, cream, milk, salt mixture, our Italian blend cheese, 6 ounces, our 2 ounces of feta that I just crumbled, and our breadcrumbs, mushroom, onion, spinach, saute. And what you could do is, if you're going to do it in a pan like this, it's like a lasagna size pan, 9 by 13, you would toss everything together in this bowl, pour it in here, and bake it. But we're going to do something different today, because we want to make some individual ones, and we're going to make them different sizes. So like if you're having a cocktail party and you want to have hors d'oeuvres, this as something as an hors d'oeuvre, or like say brunch, and you want to have little ones, you would use a mini muffin pan. This is a regular size muffin pan. This is a large muffin pan. So if maybe this is the main course for your brunch, you could use the large ones, and maybe this is just a side dish as an accompaniment to something more substantial. Use the regular size muffin ones. So anyhow, we're going to start getting those. All right, so we're going to spray some nonstick cooking spray into our muffin pan. We're going to add a couple of these cubes, a couple of these croutons, and then we're going to add, here's some of our cheese. We're going to put in a little bit of that Italian blend, a couple pieces of the feta. We're just sort of like making layers, and then some of our spinach filling, and then we're going to add in our egg mixture. I'm going to pour this in, and you want to let it soak. So you're not going to put this into the oven right away. You want the breadcrumbs to soak up some of this liquid egg mixture. So I'm going to let that soak for at least a half hour before we put it in. The top with all of our leftover cheese, and now just before going in, I'm going to sprinkle each one with just a little bit of Parmesan as well. So this will really have a wonderful flavor. And I'm putting it in a 300-degree oven on a sheet pan. Get this out of the oven. Oh, look at that. This is beautiful. Look at all the color. That gorgeous golden brown color that we've got, and all the melted cheese on top. So this was in the 300-degree oven for 40 minutes. And we've got to let it cool, and then we can serve. Here's our beautiful breakfast strata with sauteed spinach, mushrooms, feta cheese, and our gorgeous ratatouille alongside of it. So I hope you enjoy these recipes, and we'll check out all of ours on our YouTube channel at Chef Victoria Love. Take care, everybody. Thanks. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.